In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your images using the online software Photopea. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner just starting out, Photopea is a powerful tool that you can access from any web browser. The best part? It's free and doesn't require any downloads. So wherever you are, your creative space is ready and waiting. Let's dive right in. To get started, open Photopea by visiting the website. Go to your preferred search engine, perhaps it's your trusted Google, and type in Photopea. This should direct you to their official site where the real magic happens. Once on the homepage, you'll notice it's reminiscent of Photoshop, making it easy for anyone familiar with traditional desktop editing tools to feel right at home. After you've loaded Photopea, you're ready to bring your image in. Simply navigate to your Layers panel on the right, where you'll manage the elements of your design. Here, you'll need to double-click on your desired image layer. This act of double-clicking opens up a dialog box showing your layer styles. It's where the transformation begins. Now let's focus on adding a drop shadow to your image. Check the drop shadow box and you'll see a host of options available to you. The customization here is key. Adjust the shadow's distance, angle, size, and spread to seamlessly fit the style of your image or the overall composition you're aiming for. For instance, a closer look at the angle settings can give your image a more dynamic and three-dimensional feel, while adjusting opacity will control the shadow's darkness, helping soften or emphasize the effect as needed. Remember, the beauty of Photopea lies in experimentation. Don't hesitate to play around with these settings to find just the right look for your shadow. Perhaps you prefer a subtle, faint shadow, or maybe you're looking for something bold and dramatic. Whichever you choose, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Once you're happy with how everything looks, your work is nearly complete. At this point, make sure to preview your edits by toggling the effect on and off. This will help ensure the drop shadow complements your image perfectly without overwhelming it. If you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to savor that moment of accomplishment. You've successfully added a professional-looking drop shadow to your image, all within the convenient setup of Photopea. And with that, you're done. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you've taken your image from flat and ordinary to visually compelling and polished. Keeping a close eye on these small details can often make all the difference in your designs. That's it for today's guide on using Photopea to enhance your images. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to explore more of what this versatile tool has to offer. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and see you next time for more creative tips and tricks.